Formula One was poised to host the inaugural Las Vegas Grand Prix, a Formula One race that promised to redefine the motorsport experience. However, as the excitement reached a fever pitch, unexpected challenges and controversies began to surface, leaving the event hanging in the balance. In this video, we delve into the world of Formula One, exploring the unforeseen obstacles faced by the Las Vegas Grand Prix and examining the potential impact on the city's industry. The Grand Prix encountered its first major setback when officials made the surprising decision to cancel the HG2 grandstand section located in the West Harmon Zone, sponsored by Google Chrome. Despite tickets being sold out, concerns over inadequate sightlines forced the cancellation. This left ticket holders in a state of uncertainty about their viewing experience. HG2 grandstand had initially promised incredible views for spectators, especially of the Harmon Straight and the pit lane entry. However, it became evident that this grandstand, the smallest of the three, would not meet fans' expectations. In response to the unexpected cancellation of the HG2 grandstand, race organizers swiftly offered a resolution to affected ticket holders. Instead of opting for refunds, they chose to upgrade fans to the prestigious T-Mobile Zone at Sphere, a higher price section with superior views and additional perks, all at no extra cost. This decision not only resolved the sightline issue, but also enhanced the overall value for fans. The upgraded T-Mobile Zone experience included access to live entertainment and a range of amenities designed to enrich the race day experience. The official announcement, reassuring fans of an unparalleled viewing experience, was communicated through the Las Vegas GP app, reaffirming the event organizers' commitment to fan satisfaction. As the Grand Prix's fate hung in the balance, another major challenge loomed over Las Vegas: the threat of a massive labor strike. The Culinary Bartenders Union, representing 35,000 members across 18 properties, demanded better pay and improved working conditions. Potential disruption from this strike had the potential to cancel the Formula One Grand Prix itself. Union's demands extended beyond financial gains, including greater job security and enhanced safety measures to protect workers in the face of technological advances. The strike had historic implications, with the potential to become the largest in United States history. The impending strike cast a shadow over the Formula One Grand Prix scheduled for November 19. The union urged visitors to respect picket lines and avoid hotels and casinos involved in the dispute. However, accommodating this request proved challenging, as the track itself incorporated most of the properties affected by the strike action. 7 months of negotiations with major resorts like MGM Resorts, Caesars Entertainment, and Wynn Resorts had yet to produce a resolution. The union's secretary-treasurer, Ted Papageorge, emphasized that the current proposal, while historic, fell short of what the workers rightfully deserve. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, the Las Vegas Grand Prix carried the potential for significant economic impact. Projections estimated that the event could inject approximately $1.3 billion into the local economy. This figure rivaled the economic influence of the Super Bowl, which was also set to take place in Las Vegas in February 2024. With around 150,000 rooms available for booking in Las Vegas, the city anticipated a full house, particularly with an expected crowd of 120,000 spectators attending the F1 race. The economic boost generated by such a high-profile event was expected to be a game changer for the city. In the lead up to the Las Vegas Grand Prix, Formula One faced a backlash from several Las Vegas venues. The sport was accused of demanding exorbitant venue fees from non-partnered venues to ensure unobstructed views of the racetrack. Additionally, F1 sought $1,500 per seat from venues, such as Planet Hollywood, potentially amounting to millions in fees for some venues. Venues argued that these fees would discourage regular gamblers from attending multiple events throughout the year. F1 eventually revised its stance, agreeing to a one-off $50,000 fee for each non-partner venue. This fee not only guaranteed unobstructed views, but also provided a live feed of the entire race action, allowing venues to enhance the race day experience for their patrons. Las Vegas Grand Prix was not just a motorsport event, but also an opportunity for the city's renowned gaming industry to shine. Las Vegas boasts around 150,000 hotel rooms, and with a crowd of 120,000 expected to attend the F1 race, these rooms were in high demand. However, the question loomed: would F1 fans prioritize gambling during their visit to Las Vegas? Formula One's decision to host a race in Las Vegas was a significant investment in the sport's growing popularity in the United States. Liberty Media, the controlling entity of Formula One, invested over $500 million in paddock and entertainment facilities for the Las Vegas Grand Prix. This marked a substantial move for Formula One, as the sport had never before been both the host and promoter of an event of this scale. While the logistical challenges of the inaugural event were expected, fans also faced potential disruptions to their hotel services due to the ongoing labor dispute. As the Las Vegas Grand Prix approached, the stakes were high for Formula One and the city of Las Vegas. The potential impact of the strike on hotel services and the reputation of the event in its inaugural season was a cause for concern. While Formula One was not directly responsible for the labor dispute, host cities needed better preparation to ensure the smooth execution of major events. The cost of meeting the demands of striking workers was significant, and it remained remained to be seen whether the strike or the resulting reputational damage would be the lesser of two evils. The gaming industry, central to Las Vegas's identity, was at a crossroads, with hopes pinned on F1 fans choosing to partake in the city's offerings. To the world of Formula One, where precision and speed reigned supreme, the Las Vegas Grand Prix faced unexpected challenges and controversies that tested the resilience of race organizers and the city itself. As the event's fate hung in the balance, the economic impact and the gaming industry's role added layers of complexity to an already dramatic story. The inaugural Las Vegas Grand Prix was more than just a race. It was a testament to the dedication of those who dared to bring the pinnacle of racing to the entertainment capital of the world. Whether it would be remembered as a triumph or a cautionary tale, only time would tell, as Formula One fans in the city of Las Vegas held their breath in anticipation. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think the F1 will host another race in Las Vegas in the future? Are you excited about the race and plan on watching it? Make sure you are subscribed and have notifications on so you won't miss any upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye.